Hello friends, welcome all of you my channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn. So after a long time we record one video and find good indicator for scalping in Banknifty. So we what is the settings and what is the backtest result you just check. It is a non-repaint indicator. So first we change our candle chart into Heikin. First we change chart to Heikin. Then we go to indicator and we search bot and when you get bot, so there is a one is coming ut bot alerts with quant nomad. So you just select that indicator in your chart. Now you if you check, there is a lot of signals buy sell because you need to change the setting. So setting is you need to change that to 10 and ATR period is 25. Okay, now it's loading. So we go to September. First we go to from September we check what are the signals are coming and what are the results. Why we select Hikeneshi? Because it is a very clear cut trend is indicating in one charts. So now we start with a September. If you check, there is a September. In September there is a one buy trade is generated, and if we go that how much points it is giving, so we check that, go to measure. Now we measure that buy to sell, what is the point is giving. So it is giving almost, if you check, 1700 points from 1st September to 18th September. Then there is a one sell signal is coming on after 18th. So we check how much point this sell is given. It is a very good indicator if you are doing scalping or you are doing holding trades. So it is mostly accuracy is almost 90%. So next trade there is a one sell signal and buy is coming. Yeah, buy is coming around this candle. If you check that 1669, almost 1600 plus points. Then again it is coming buy, and buy signal it is giving, it is almost give 220 210 points. Now again the sell is coming, so we just check that what is the sell points are giving. In sell, if you check that 400 points it is giving. Now again buy is coming, so we select buy, what is the point is giving from this point to this sell. If you check again 400 points, again sell is coming. You just check, sell is coming from this to buy, so it is giving almost, if you check, 1800 points from 16 to 30. And we go to again, if you check that on after 13 it is giving buy signal, so we select this buy and till sell we hold that, so it is giving 1500 points. Now again sell is coming on 16th, so from this sell to buy it is almost 400 plus point, 486, and now it is giving last trade is buy, and buy it is almost till now it is already given 868. So that is the indicator. You just go and test that, and it is the best setting because I tested a lot of settings. So use this indicator. Thank you so much, guys. Good day. Take care.